How to watch live football on YouTube TV through a VPN. Step number 1. Choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN provider. Choose a VPN service that has strong streaming capabilities and servers in the United States. Popular choices include ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. Download and install the VPN app. Install the VPN on your device. Step number 2. Connect to a US server. Open the VPN app. Launch your chosen VPN service. Connect to a US server. Select a server located in the United States. This will give you a US IP address, making it appear as though you are accessing the internet from the US. Step number 3. Subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website. With the VPN connected to a US server, go to the YouTube TV website. Sign up for a subscription. Click Try It Free to start a free trial, then follow the prompts to create an account and provide payment information. Note, YouTube TV is available only in the US, so a VPN is necessary to bypass geo-restrictions from outside the country. Step number 4. Install YouTube TV on your device. Download YouTube TV. Install the YouTube TV app on your device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device like Roku or Chromecast. Step number 5. Sign in to YouTube TV. Log in. Open the YouTube TV app and sign in using your Google account credentials associated with your YouTube TV subscription. Step number 6. Navigate to live football games. Search for games. Use the search function to find specific football games or browse through the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming matches. Step number 7. Start streaming. Select a game. Click on the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device.